In this video, I'm showing you step by step how to make my go-to creamy and airy milk chocolate mousse. It's creamy, airy and perfectly smooth. You only need 3 ingredients, it's easy to make and is perfect to use in Entremet cakes. The first step is to soak 2 gelatin sheets in cold water for 5 to 10 minutes in a small bowl. I then put the bowl aside while moving on to the other steps. I carefully melt 200 grams of milk chocolate and pour it in a bowl. The next step is to heat 100 milliliters of heavy cream almost to the boiling point. This means that the cream shouldn't be fully boiling, but just at the tipping point of boiling, where you'll see that the cream starts smoking and a few bubbles starting to appear in the surface. I squeeze the water out of the gelatin and whisk it in the hot cream. The cream now needs to cool off a bit before we can pour it over the chocolate, as a too hot cream can seize the chocolate. Once the cream has cooled off a bit, I pour it over the melted chocolate while stirring in the middle with a spatula until it becomes glossy. While the chocolate mixture is cooling off, I will 200 milliliters of heavy cream to soft peaks with a hand mixer. Here it's important not to whisk the cream too much, as that will lead to a dense mousse, and too little can result in a more runny mousse. The chocolate mixture should now have cooled to lukewarm, so we can fold it into the cream without it splitting. First, I fold in around 1/3 of the cream to ensure that the full base is mixed with the cream, and then fold in the rest in 2 rounds. Here it's important just to gently fold and not to overmix when stirring in the cream. We can now put the mousse in a silicone mold if you're using it in an Entremet cake, and gently press down the frozen cake before freezing the cake overnight. I really love how easy this mousse is to make. It's perfect to use in Entremet cakes, has the most creamy and airy texture, and it tastes amazing. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any new recipes.